Anyone who uses a computer knows the frustration of software bugs, those annoying glitches that crash an app or make it behave strangely. For software developers, finding and fixing these bugs can be one of the most time-consuming parts of their job. What if an AI could handle this tedious work for them? Researchers are actively working on this, but it's a tough problem. Fixing code requires complex logic and a deep understanding of how everything fits together, something AI often struggles with. Here's why this is important. Current AI models, even the powerful ones, tend to make a single, educated guess when asked to fix a bug. If that first guess is wrong, they're stuck. This is where a new research paper introduces a clever approach called $T$3. The core idea is to change how the AI thinks about the problem. Instead of just trying to find one answer, the $T³ framework encourages the AI to explore many different possibilities at once. Let's explore what they found. The researchers designed their system to create a tree of thought. Imagine a detective solving a case. They don't just follow one lead, they explore multiple theories simultaneously. One branch of the tree might represent one theory about the bug, while another branch explores a completely different angle. The AI evaluates each of these paths, figures out which ones are dead ends, and focuses its energy on the most promising routes. By building and navigating this multi-level tree of possibilities, the AI can piece together a much more logical and effective solution. So, what does this mean in practice? The study showed that this tree-based method significantly improves the AI's accuracy. It generates correct fixes for software bugs far more often than previous methods. This could revolutionize software development. We could see self-healing programs that identify and repair their own flaws in real time with minimal human help. For developers, this means less time spent on frustrating debugging and more time creating new features. Ultimately, it paves the way for more robust, reliable, and secure software for all of us. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.